faster.
Me some patient. From book. Minnie is happy in the summer. Mickey swims. And Goofy's like the fish. Daisy can swim. Pooh dig for bone. Down can hike. Minnie can take pictures. Say cheese. Just look a star lake.
Mickey can.
Mickey can swim. Look at Daisy. Mickey calls turtles. Turtles can help. Tie on the rope. Turtles can help. Now Daisy can swing. What's fun? Pooh dig for ball. Oh no. Look those turtles. Oh turtles. Turtles brings a map. Turtles brings a map for Poodle. Now Poodle can dig. I got you, Dada. Down can hike. Down can hike. Yes, of course it can hike. Down can hike up a hill. Poor Dixie found a bone. Daisy can swing, Goofy fishes, and Mickey swims. Minnie can take pictures. Happy summer! Then
Good.
I read it for you.
You did it for me?
Thank
you.
I'll read it for me.
you.
Can you read